Court is calling 2025 CR 003146 State versus Alex Bacon. Can I have parties announced?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Joseph Stateson for Alec Bacon.
And are you, is it Alex or Alec?
Alex.
Alex, okay. For some reason, on some things it has Alec, other things Alex. All right, and so are you Alex Bacon?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Bacon, did you review application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor. And further, I was appointed earlier today. I explained to my client that there's 10 days for us to prepare to come back for a hearing, but we wish to waive the 10 days and go forward today.
Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right. And Mr. Bacon, you've had a chance to, you have no questions about proceeding with this attorney? And you do understand, yes, it is true, he has 10 days to prepare. You also have time if you want to speak with him in more detail. Do you understand? All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Bacon, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $2,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution to Live Oak Police Department for testing of the drugs. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments at this time, Your Honor.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, and I have something to add at the appropriate time.
All right. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor, my client works night shifts. He gets off work early in the early hours after midnight, could be 1 a.m. He is indigent. I'm appointed. When I asked him at the end of the day, at the end of the month, after he receives his paychecks, which is weekly, how much does he have left over? He literally has nothing. $2,000 is a significant fine. We would hope that he could probate that. 200 hours is a lot of hours. He was hoping that perhaps, as with some other individuals, that he could order some classes that he could take in lieu of doing them. He does have a child and a stepchild. But with his employment, his work schedule, our potential issue would be if he's on a regular or random UA testing, he'll be asleep during the daytime. He won't be able to always make something timely. We just want the court probation to be aware he works at nighttime.
All right. So how long have you been using?
I stopped for a few years, and then my daughter had revealed something, and I didn't know how to take it. That night I didn't even get to use. I got caught like not even 30 minutes later. So I had stopped in about almost 4 years.
Mhm. When's the last time you used?
Actually 2 weeks ago.
All right. So what I can tell you is that the drug that you're using usually costs money. It's not like with the marijuana where they do the puff puff pass. Usually with drugs of this nature, you have to pay for it, right? I got 5 on it, so you have to make sure you pay for it. So that becomes expensive. So whatever extra money you have left over, you're using it towards the drugs. You can't do that anymore. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So your children, do they live with you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. This is what the court is going to do. There's going to be a $2,000 fine that will be probated. There is to be restitution, if any, to Live Oak PD for drug testing, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, 2 years deferred adjudication, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once he completes those, the restitution hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. There's going to be 90 sober meetings in 90 days. There's to be TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow results. Probation, is there anything else? Oh, thank you. Sorry. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. What do you do for a living?
I'm a cook. I work at a Lucy Cooper's ice house.
Lucy Cooper's.
Or San Pedro 281.
Okay. I have never been there. I'll have to stop by. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You got to remember people, places, and things. You got to change that. And then when you think you're going to use because something traumatic has happened, that's when you get in touch with your sponsor. That's when you call somebody and say, I'm thinking about using. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Let's get the facts straight. She loves a verbal ashtray. Never blowing smoke when she gets pissed. She's quick to castrate. Love her on a good day. Love her on a bad day. Either way, she's here to stay, stay, stay. Call up holy, holy, holy,